Master of Ceremonies, Turangana Vimadwata, Commissioner Northern, Divisional Police Commander, North, the CEOs for the Northern Division, for the respective municipal councils, representatives from the non-government organization, government officials, team from my ministry, students, teachers from the Northern Division, Bulabinakai, and a very good morning to you all. It is my privilege and honor to be here this morning to launch the World Environment Day 2018 campaign here in North. Ladies and gentlemen, World Environment Day marks a very important day in the global cleanup. And I must say, even more importantly, in our lives. Ladies and gentlemen, when we talk about World Environment Day, we have to first of all give it a local context and add some local content to the action that we are taking. What does World Environment Day mean to the people gathered here today? The people of Vanuatu, our people in the friendly North. That for me is the more important question this morning, rather than what it means to the rest of the world. It is important that all of you gathered here today give local context and content to the World Environment Day. It means that as people from Labasa, Sabu and all your wonderful villages and settlements in the north have to be aware of some of the issues and concerns of World Environment Day. First of all, let me make a plea that we get the basics right. As Fijians, we live in a beautiful country. Our beloved islands are blessed in so many ways. We need to treat every inch of our island and its environment with the same care and attention to cleanness as we do in our houses. This is basic common sense action. We do not throw rubbish underneath our beds. So why do we do this in a public space? Why do we have so much rubbish lying around our towns and cities, on our roadsides, on our beaches, rivers and streams? Ladies and gentlemen, answer is clear. As Fijians, we are not treating our island the same way as we are treating our homes. We take pride in Fiji when we win in sports, when we achieve something good. The same pride has to be with you every day here in friendly North when you make choice on the environment. Please, I urge you today on this particular day to make the change for good. Make the change for better of Fiji. Make the change to change your environment here in the friendly North to a clean and environmentally friendly North. On a global level, World Environment Day is a world action when we actively pledge the protection of our earth. It is the day where the global communities take time to reflect, to renew commitments and make new ones to ensure the future of our planet, to put into actions and initiatives towards the protection of our environment. Since it began in 1974, the World Environment Day has grown to become a global platform for public outreach. It is celebrated in over 100 countries. As I have outlined in the launch of the World Environment Day in Suva, this year's theme is Big Plastic Pollution. Across Fiji, I'm making the same call for all of us to come together to combat one of the greatest environmental challenges of all the times. It is a timely reminder to us all on the increasing magnitude of the plastic pollution faced worldwide today. The risks it brings are enormous, not only to human beings, but to our rivers and streams, to our coastal areas, to marine lives, every life creatures in the oceans today. The message that I have made at the launch of World Environment Day in Suva on plastics needs to be repeated here as well. My message in summary was that the more plastic bags you use, the greater the chance of environmental damage. So the answer is not to use plastic. Not to use? Thank you. To show Fiji's commitment to address the solid waste management programs, Fiji government and the Japanese government signed an agreement on solid waste management project known as the JICA project for the promotion of the regional initiative on solid management in the Pacific Island countries, or JPRISM, during the National Environment Week launch at the Central Division a few weeks ago. This program basically promotes the 3R. What's 3R? Thank you. Reduce, reuse, recycle. 4R? Okay, we haven't gone to that. Labasa Town Council, Sabu, please wake up call. Eh? This program basically promotes 3R, as I mentioned. That will be home composting subsidy program and clean schools program. I would like to urge this morning here to all the schools, those who were not participating in the 3R program, please do so. All those schools who have participated will be receiving these bins. So if you haven't been part of this program, I hope you will take part from this year. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are here to take a collective action to protect and defend our environment. It can be done only when we will keep our eyes open and be active to bring some positive changes within ourselves and our environment. I am heartened by your presence here this morning, which clearly indicates your commitment and passion towards a clean, healthy, and a clean environment. At this juncture, I would like to thank all of you who have marched through the streets of Labasa town. Can we all put our hands together and thank ourselves to march this campaign here in Labasa? And my plea to children gathered here today is to take individual and collective action on issues covered during the All Environment campaign. Following the national launch in the Central Division on 5th June and the launching here in North today, the Western campaign would be on the 18th of this month. We are grateful to the Ministry of Education for allowing school children to participate in the oratory and poster competition at district, divisional, and national level. I am pleased to launch these initiatives here in the North, and it is important that awareness building begins in your schools, towns, villages, and settlements, and spread across Vanuatu and the North generally. Let's listen to our children and understand their plea to save our environment for their generation to come. We can't take small steps. At the national launch, we made a national commitment on addressing plastic bags pollution. This included a no straw pledge. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, with these few words, I sincerely wish all the participants here in North the very best for this year's month-long National Environment Day celebration, and one that you will all extend in every day of our lives towards a cleaner, greener, and more livable, friendly North and in the end, our beloved country. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I have much pleasure in declaring the launching of the 2018 Northern Division World Environment Day campaign on the Big Plastic Pollution Theme campaign open. Vinaka, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Minister. Okay, case we already cut. While we remain standing, I think it's the right time to say